So there are two things. One is differentiation, then there is integration, then there is some theorems we are going to see. First, differentiation. Differentiation. Okay. So differentiation means, okay, there are three types. One is gradient, another is divergence, and another is curl. Okay. Now suppose there are two things. One is scalar field and another is vector field. So the scalar field and vector field. Okay. Now let me tell you something. The scalar field is something like temperature is there. Okay. And then again velocity is there. So whatever temperature creates around itself, whatever field temperature creates around itself is called temperature field. Okay, whatever change is happening in the scalar field. Okay, change in happening. Suppose this is a particular control volume and temperature is changing everywhere. But temperature is not a vector, it's a scalar, so it will be scalar field. Then again velocity. So suppose this is a flow and velocity is here, so it changes its direction. Something is changing here, so change in velocity or change in flow, that will be a vector field. So what happens? There's a thing called change. Okay, so there's a thing called change. So remember one thing, this is a thing which is called differential operator. Differential operator, which is known as del. Okay, del. Now del is del by del x I cap, del by del y j cap, del by del z k cap. Okay, fine. So this is the differential operator. So I am writing it again here. Gradient of any function is this. Okay, gradient of any function is this. That means this function is scalar. F is scalar. So you find that how much any scalar field is changing. So since now see, the scalar field is changing in some direction. Okay, that is gradient of f. Now a vector field is changing in some direction. So same dot f. So it's a dot product. So this is f is vector. But here result will be scalar. Result will be vector. Sorry, result is vector. Here result is scalar. Whatever the change will be, that change will be constant. Okay, that will be a particular scalar. Here it is del cross f. Okay, f is vector. Again here f is vector. Okay. So here result will be vector. Now what divergence find whether how much change is happening in a flux. Okay, how much change is happening in a flux, whether flux is coming in, coming out. Del cross f is changing, that what is the change in rotation of a particular object. So we will see one by one divergence, curl and gradient. Fine. So let's first understand single thing here only. So first is gradient of f. We can also write like this or this. So suppose there is a function temperature. So we see the change in particular normal direction. Change in normal direction. Okay, change in direction. So if suppose temperature is there, other than temperature we can take pressure. Pressure is also not a vector. Okay, so if you take gradient of pressure, it will be del p by del x I cap, del p by del y j cap, del p by del z k cap. Okay, that means pressure gradient in x axis, pressure gradient along y axis, pressure gradient along z axis. And it's a very important thing, we will study this in Coulter flow. Okay, in aerodynamics, in Coulter law, we will understand that what is the meaning of pressure gradient. Okay, that's a very important thing. Pressure gradient. Pressure gradient means change in pressure in a particular direction. So in Coulter flow, what happens? There's a flow where boundaries are fixed. Okay, and changes happens in a particular direction. So we will see how gradient of F is related to that thing. So this is the gradient of F. If you know the formula of pressure, you can differentiate it partially and then get the answer of gradient of F. Now next thing is divergence. So divergence is divergence of F, or we can say del dot F vector. Now F is vector here. Divergence of F is mostly used in the aerodynamics. In aerodynamics, like suppose there is a control volume, whatever amount is going in or whatever amount is coming out, that means a continuity equation. So we use continuity equation here. So suppose amount of mass flow is going in, amount of mass flow is coming out. For incompressible flow, okay, now first see what is happening. Divergence of F means del by del x I cap, del by del x del y j cap, del y del z k cap. Now F will be also fx I cap, fy j cap, fz k cap. So the answer will be del fx by del x I cap, not I cap. Okay, I dot I becomes 1 na. Del by del fy by del y, del fz by del z. Only simple thing. Okay, that will be the resultant. So this is the answer of divergence of F vector. That's a scalar. The answer will be a single digit number or single digit something variable, but that will be a constant. So for continuity equation, what I was saying, like in continuity equation, whatever mass flow is going in, I'm again telling you here. So mass flow rate is rho VA. Okay, V is velocity. So basically divergence of velocity is only changing here. Velocity can either go in when, suppose in air here, if I am taking a particular control volume like this, so whenever air is going into something, maybe it is increasing its velocity or decreasing its velocity. Whenever it is coming out, maybe it's increasing its velocity or decreasing its velocity. Like changes is happening, flux change is happening. So for aerodynamics, incompressible flow, we can say that this is 0 for incompressible continuity equation. Okay, when we will study continuity equation, then we will know that divergence of velocity is 0. And this is the only particular formula for continuity equation in incompressible aerodynamics. Next thing is curl. Curl is very important thing. Okay, curl defines vorticity or change in angular velocity or something like that. We have to understand very well what is curl. We will take curl as an example itself. Okay, so for an example, curl of F is this. So suppose I am taking the velocity. Velocity, you know, u I cap, v j cap, w k cap. Okay, the component of velocity in x direction is u, in y direction v, in z direction w. Now we have to find del cross v. So del cross v will be, you know, I j k. Del means del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and then u v w. So if I write the answer, it will be very well. So for I cap, something I cap plus something j cap plus something k cap. Now I am writing the answer exactly. So for I cap, it will be del w by del y minus del v by del z, del w by del y minus del v by del z. So you see, change in x direction is only for the components which are not in x direction. W is not in x, y is not in x, v is not in x, z is not in x. So in the same way we can write j and k also, but in j there is minus and I have to remove that minus. So j is this. So this into this minus this, but I am taking this minus this for remove minus. So del u by del z minus del W by del X. Now I have taken minus already inside. Okay, you can verify it also. Now for K it is del V by del X minus del U by del V by del X, del U by del Y. And this thing is known as vorticity. What is called? Vorticity. So if del cross V is 0, then it will be irrotational flow. And if divergence of velocity is 0, you can say that it is solenoidal flow. Okay. So any vector whose divergence is 0 is known as solenoidal vector. Any vector whose curl is 0, that is known as a irrotational vector. That vector cannot be rotated. So this is the whole differential calculus of the vector. So hello everyone. Here it was a snippet of the lecture 4, which was of vector calculus. So you got to understand the concepts of the gradient, divergence and curl, and also its applications in aerospace engineering. So I hope that you liked it. Today is the day 2 of the 100-day course, which is Crack Gate Aerospace Engineering in 100 days. So the free previews of the videos are available only till today. From tomorrow onwards, you will have to pay a charge to watch the course materials and to access the quiz and sectional tests. So you must enroll that course and see, you can join any time in this course, but the late you will join, the less time there will be for preparing, and there will be less time to cover the syllabus, there will be less time to practice the questions. So join today and start now. The link of the course is given in the description box, and best of luck and stay connected with me, and I hope and I assure you that you will get a very good rank in GATE Aerospace Engineering 2021. Thank you very much.